Hey guys, it's Dani'i and welcome to another video, and I'm here with updates on the Atlantic. We're starting to see so much activity right now going on, but before I go into details with these three systems, please take a second or two to tap that subscribe button if you haven't, as well as the notification bell so you know every time when I post a new video. And you can also share to make persons out there know what is taking place, and to help the channel grow, you can also follow my weather account on Instagram at weathergirldani2. Okay, so here we have Invest 98L, Invest 99L just identified, and then we have Tropical Depression Chantal, which isn't much of a concern. So let us get things off with Chantal. Okay, so right now the winds of Chantal are 30 miles per hour, and it is moving to the southeast at around 8 miles per hour. So it is expected to become post-tropical by early Saturday morning and then probably dissipate sometime on Sunday. So that is some good news. Chantal is not much of a concern, not a threat to lands, just by yourself out there. Alright, and now let us go on to Invest 98L. Currently is given a high 70% chance of formation through the next 5 days, but a medium 40% chance of formation through the next 48 hours. And right now it is going to continue producing heavy rainfall over parts of the Bahamas and the southern portions of Florida, and then when it is moving more to the north and then turn it out to the northeast, we might see the southeastern United States being affected, such as Georgia and the Carolinas, through the next few days. So by tomorrow, when it moves more into the Atlantic in those warm waters, that is when we could see the formation of a tropical depression. But regardless, it is going to produce that rainfall. So if you're in parts of Florida, Bahamas, or the Carolinas or Georgia, you want to be aware of the rainfall that is heading your way. And this is what it looks like on satellite imagery. So we're seeing a lot of thunderstorm activity is taking place, and it is going to move more to the north and then turn out to the northeast. So we might see this becoming DORIAN very, very soon. So we just have to stay prepared. We're going into September now, which is the peak of the hurricane season. So we are starting to see more activity. So let's take a look at Invest 99L. But wait, before we go into that, let me show you guys what the models are predicting for the potential intensity of potential DORIAN. So here we have majority of them agreeing that it will become a tropical storm, and none of them at this time are predicting it to become a category 1 hurricane, but here's one here taking it very close to achieving that status. So most likely that we see a tropical storm very early next week. And then about midway between Africa and the Lesser Antilles, here we have another area of disturbed weather, which is Invest 99L, identified this morning by the National Hurricane Center. And as you're seeing here, it is given a low 20% chance of formation through the next 5 days, and it is just identified, so we're not going to see it having a very high chance to become a tropical cyclone. But as time goes by and conditions look more favorable ahead of it, we could see the formation chance going up more. So just to tell you guys, if you're in the Lesser Antilles, you want to watch this, not necessarily the Windward or the Leeward Islands, the Lesser Antilles on a whole, because this could be moving westward and then start to move to the northwest, or it could potentially just move westward and then later on northwest. But we just have to wait and see what is going to happen. But if you're there, you want to keep watching this system. And for an invest, it is looking fairly organized at the moment, but once it starts to move into warmer waters and conditions are favorable, we will see definite more organization of the system and more circulation and an increase in shower and thunderstorm activity. And just 5 models are available, but they all agree that it will become a hurricane. Some take it up to even category 2 and category 3. So this is very interesting. But we have to wait and see what is going to take place. We don't know if that will be the scenario yet with this potential system, but if it does become a tropical cyclone, it will become ERIN, which seems a bit likely. So we just have to wait and see. So if you found this video pretty informative, please leave a thumbs up and remember to always be weather-wise, and I will keep giving updates on the tropics.